Today I am here with my colleagues from Education as a Vaccine. Save the Children is here and Education as a Vaccine is also here. Each person will take one goal and a cardboard sheet. You write the goal and then you also write what you want the government to do to make sure that goal is achieved. Is that clear? Yes. Okay. You will come up with your write-up, with your cardboard, and then we'll have a shot of you.
Let's talk about end poverty in all forms everywhere. Government should reduce the cost of education, ensure that every child chooses their career by themselves, and they should also create or provide more jobs.
In 2030, all the total number of HIV positive should be decreased. The government should assure good social amenities should be provided. Example, good health clinic. If a good health clinic is prepared, when young people can go without fear and they are able to talk to nurses, it will reduce the teenage pregnancy.
I want the government to promote sustained economic growth, productive employment and decent job for all.
I want boys and girls to have access to information, healthcare and education by 2030. Boys and girls should not be discriminated on their sex, color of their skin, intelligence, etc. They should be treated equally.
Government should ensure that there are officials that deal in planting of trees in our communities and ensure covering of environment from catastrophe such as earthquake and wind.
I am here to speak on a goal strengthening the means of implementing sustainable development. People should encourage the government because the government is among the means of implementing sustainable development. If there is development and it is not sustainable to all, it is useless because it will be like a head without a brain. Citizens are also among the means of implementing sustainable development because citizens encourage the government on developing the society. I want the government to work in partnership with civil societies to achieve our development goals.
My goal for today is promote peaceful society for sustainable development. Firstly, people should encourage our government to promote peace in our country by 2030.
I am here to talk on a goal of ensure sustainable consumption and production patterns. The government should ensure sustainable consumption and production patterns in a way of providing the society with good and modern facilities for farming so as to provide the citizens with good and enough food for consumption.
On behalf of the principal of Junior Secondary School Gwagwalada, I want to appreciate the time you spent with us and my dear students who are advocates. I equally want to appreciate the work you have done. I want to thank you and I urge all of you to keep it up. The work you have done here is going to save more lives, not just for you, but you are here speaking on behalf of the voices the whole Nigeria cannot listen to. So I want to thank you and to urge you to keep it up. I expect more of the ideas you have brought here tomorrow again. You can do more than this. These are not the only problems that Nigeria is facing as a country. There are some that you did not mention. I will still urge all of you, as you go back home, you will still bring more ideas. Tomorrow you are going to still tell the government what you want.
Ina yinin ku mutanen Daka, mun same ku lafiya. To, mun yi murna da saduwa da ku yau kuma. Abun da ya kawo mu yau shine magana da muke, sakon da muke kawo muku kullum idan muka zo garinku. Ko ba haka ba, akwai abubuwa da yawa wanda yake damun ku a nan garin. Abun da muke faɗa shine akwai abun da gwamnati yake so ya yi ma mutane daga nan
zuwa shekara 15. Ana kiran shi SDG. Shine abubuwan da ku kuke so gwamnati ya yi muku a garin nan. In kuka yi magana abun da gwamnati yake so ya yi muku, idan gwamnati suna shirye-shirye garurukan da za a je a yi musu abubuwan nan, za a sa da naku. Za ku zo ku yi magana, meye ne damuwanku a nan garin Daka? Meye kuke so gwamnati ya yi muku daga nan zuwa har shekara 15? Wani canji ne kuke so ku gani?
Muna so a garin Daka a bani ruwa da asibiti, kuma a gyara mamu hanya, yan jiji ku taimaka min haka da wuta, abin da muna so a garin mu kenan.
The problem we're having in our community, one is that we don't have adequate school in our community. So I want government should provide school into our community. Secondly, we don't have electricity in our community. So we are suffering from light. We do, darkness is all over our places here.
Muna so gwamnati ta make mu da asibiti, mu dinga je family planning, kuma mu dinga kai yara mu. Don ba mu da asibiti a gare mu ba.
We don't have adequate water. Our water is bad. Most of us we are suffering from diarrhea because we don't have adequate water. So one government should provide a good pipeable water into our community.
Muna so mu je awo, ba mu da kudi mu je awo ba mu da asibiti a nan gari. Saboda muna so gwamnati su tamake mu a SDG nasu, su tamake mu, su taya mu, su kawo mu asibiti da wuta da ruwa. Ba mu da komai a nan gari, muna so tamako gwamnati su tamake mu.
Today, the 12th day of November, the Act 2015 Alliance, alongside Save the Children, are doing this outreach to feed into the final communique for the Social Good Summit. And for this outreach, we've gone to the secondary school, the JSS Junior Secondary School in Gwagwalada, and right now we're in the Dakar community in Kwali. And from all of this, we're going to be getting pictures and messages from young people and people in the community about what they want to see in the next 15 years. And of course, we know about the Sustainable Development Goals, which are going to be running for the next 15 years. And we're hoping that during this period of time, we get to see a lot of changes in policies, changes in our environmental factors, changes in health, education, and other things that the Sustainable Development Goals has in stock for us. So we look forward to the government getting these messages and acting on it towards the next 15 years.